If you're trying to get website clients, but you don't know who to message, what to say, or where to start, this video will fix that for you. You don't need ads, you don't need a big following, and you don't need to be an expert. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 outreach methods that you can use to land website clients pretty much in every niche, even if you're starting from zero. These are simple, proven, and realistic, so let's get into it. And the first place I would ever start would be Google Maps. I'd research things like roofers near me, landscapers near me, dentists near me, med spas near me. Then I'll look for businesses with no websites, trash websites, no booking system, or no clear call to action. These businesses already want more customers, so I will simply just call them or message them. And I'd simply say, hey, I was looking for your services online and I noticed that your website really doesn't convert visitors into leads. I put a quick preview together showing how this could be better. Would you like me to send it over? And that's it. A simple message like that will convert. Now, what does that look like? Just go over to Chrome and type in Google Maps, click on it, and you can already start looking for services, like I said, in your local area. For example, I'm going to search up landscapers near me. And right away, I was able to find the company right here, Cruise Lawn Services and Landscaping, that doesn't have a website. You can literally look at this icon right here. There's another one right here, Sandy Lawn Care, doesn't have a website either. So all I would do is click on the business and look for the phone number. But as we can see here, this place doesn't even have a phone number. So what I would do instead, don't stay stuck on one lead, go to the next one. For example, this one right here, Sandy Lawn Care, they do have a phone number, so you can message this customer and send them a Loom with that exact script that I just showed you. Or you could go over to the reviews. Sandy Lawn Care, great guys, awesome. I need 2 properties committed. So you can read into here. Another thing that I highly recommend doing, even when you're going through these, one thing that you're gonna always find is the customer's name. So if we scroll through some of these, Joel and his team. So for example, if we go to Joel's, so right here we have this Adroit Services. If we go over to their website, let's look at what their website looks like. Contracting services, remodeling, roofing. I mean, book now, they do have a sort of call to action, but this website could 100%, online booking is currently unavailable for this location. Boom, that's a quick way to start a conversation right there. You can call up this business, hey, I noticed that, and look how the gallery spread out. So to me, personally, this is a trash website. This is an easy opportunity to be able to create a Loom. You already found the name. So that's another high thing that I recommend with Google Maps is as you look through the reviews, you're going to be able to see right here, Joel. Boom, you found the name. Another one right here, Joel. So once you catch this pattern, you're going to start realizing that that's the customer's name. And this creates a more personalized touch. You don't sound like everybody else. Now, method number 2 is going to be Facebook page DMs. I'd search for business pages in your city or in different states. I click on their pages and check if they have a website. And if they don't, reach out. If they do, is it outdated? Is there any booking option? If not, send a simple message. In the message, you can say, hey, quick question. Does your website give you leads? I noticed a few things that could be improved and I made you a quick preview for this. And that's it. As simple as that. Now, Facebook DMs work because they're informal. Business owners actually check them and there's less competition than email. So this is what a Facebook DM looks like. For example, for this company right here, Mobile Masonry and Concrete. Hey, Mobile Concrete, I noticed your company doesn't have a website, so I designed a custom homepage just for you which I'll show you right now. It highlights your services, attracts clients, and provides all the info they need about your business. If you're interested, just reply with yes or website, and I'll send the video over breaking down more about us and your future website. Now, right here, I'm painting the picture, breaking down more about us and the future website. Now, that's to the side. I also did mention just reply yes, and the reason for that was because we were able to scale this up. We had multiple team members. We were sending mass previews out, and that's how I was able to scale up my website agency so fast. But that's a talk for another video. But here's what the message looks like, and you can see yes, I need help. From there, I was able to reach out to them through their business phone number. If you click on the page right here, now you just go to about. They have their number right here, and boom, you just call the number, get in contact with them, and we were able to get something settled with the customer. As simple as that. That's through Facebook messages. Now, method number 3 is going to be Instagram DMs. Instagram is very, very underrated for client outreach. I'd search for hashtag roofing, hashtag landscaping, hashtag remodeling, hashtag med spas, hashtag local businesses. Then I would go on and to check the profiles with active posts, no website link, or a weak website. And I DM them something like this. Hey, I came across your page and I noticed that you currently don't have a website that captures leads. I built you a quick example showing what this could look like. Want me to send it over? It's short, direct, and low pressure. And now let me show you an example. Here's one. MP Concrete and Pools. How's it going, boss? Do you have a website by chance? If not, I can send you a preview of what would look like with your pictures. Sick work, by the way. Nah, man, I don't have a website, and send me the preview. Went ahead, sent him over the preview. There's the Loom of me, and that's going to take us to our step 4. But there's a quick Loom of me right there. What best number can I call you? We were able to get in contact, and as you can see, if we click on here, now this website is fully built by us. I was able to build this website. I sold it to him for $500 up front, $500 when it's ready, and he's still paying $99 a month just to keep the website up and running. And that brings us to method number 4, Looms. This is the most powerful method. Instead of explaining, I'd show. I'd quickly rebuild a homepage preview, record a 3 to 5 minute Loom, walk through what I improved, then I would send the Loom with a message like, hey, I made you a quick website preview showing you how your website could be improved to get more calls. No obligation, just wanted to show you. Now this works because it's personal, it builds trust instantly, it separates you from everyone else. If you do nothing else, simply do this. And if we look at it, it's literally kind of the same structure, even though I did it on Facebook. It's a pretty similar structure right here, what I did with this preview. Now, to finalize it, method number 5. cold call plus Loom. This one is simple but effective. I just call local businesses that currently don't have websites or that have an outdated website, and I'll just say, hey, quick question, do you currently get leads from the website that you have up? If they say no or hesitate, I would follow up with, I actually put together a preview showing you how this could work better. Can I send it over? If they don't answer, I'll just leave a quick voicemail, then send a Loom or a text to follow up with them. Calls plus Looms dramatically increase response rate. And that's the reason, because business owners are busy on a day-to-day. They currently have things going on left, right. So if you call them, you tell them that you're going to make them a quick preview, and if you're able to send them a Loom and they're able to watch it on their own time, they get to see what they're getting up front before they even pay for it. That literally creates trust, creates credibility. You don't have to have previous experience. You don't have to have basically anything set up. You can start this as a beginner because you are showing what they're receiving up front before they even pay for it. That's the beauty of Looms plus previews. Now, with that said, you don't need to do all 5 outreach methods. Pick 1 or 2 and just stay consistent. And here's a quick, simple goal: 10 outreaches per day, 5 days a week. That's 50 touch points a week. Clients come from volume and consistency, not perfection. Now, the truth, this isn't instant, but it works if you reach out daily, keep messages simple, show value before selling, and truthfully, you can land your first website client faster than you think. Now, if everything that I mentioned makes sense for you, I'm going to leave a link to a free training in the description. In that training, I break down exactly how to go from 0 to 10K per month using the WAAS model, step by step, no guesswork. Inside of that same training, you'll get the opportunity to book a one-on-one call with me where I can personally help you map out your path and mentor you directly. With that said, make sure you watch the pinned video first, and I'll see you again next week on this channel.